What up, YouTube? Nate Harris here. Just want to give you guys a buyer's update here. Alright, what I did was bought these aftermarket extenders, and what they do is well, first let me show you. This is the stock one from Arrma Talion. And what happens, if you see where this hole lines up, if you line that hole with that hole, as you can see, there's no gap in there. No gap right there. And that keeps the axle, which is not here, that's why I'm making this video, from sliding in and out. But if you see here, if you line the aftermarket ones up with that hole, you see straight there, it leaves that gap there, and what that causes is the axle to be able to move in as you driving. It's doing like this the whole time, and as you can see, it kicks that bearing out of the hub housing, and it exposes, if you can see right here, this little pin, that what holds this axle in here. So as it coming out, it worked, the pin fell out, and then I don't know, probably doing 80 something. I don't know. I wasn't really doing a speed run. I was just practicing, and the axle went bye-bye. I have no idea where it is, so I ordered new ones. But what I'm gonna do is, and this shaft is 8mm, so I'm gonna find an 8mm, maybe like a little lightweight aluminum rod or something, and then use my drummer and cut a spacer that would fit in there, and it would take that gap out of there, so it won't be able to do this anymore. And it's like that for the back too. See that? So I'm gonna make spacers for both of them. And the reason I was doing it, put the adapters on here, because when I put these rims and tires on it, the GRP, well, when I put them on originally, they're scrubbing here. So you can see where they were scrubbing. So I extended to pull them out, so that won't happen anymore. So, and it also gives it a nice wide stance, which looks pretty cool. Alright guys, it's Nate Harris, OMG Extreme RC Racing. I figured I'd just give you guys that tip, just in case you was to buy these. Just go ahead and plan on making adapters for those, spacers. I don't know the size yet because I haven't did it, but I don't know, it should be no more. It's real small. So alright guys, see you next time.